What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. Today we have a new cooker in the house. This arrived on my doorstep the other day and I'm excited about using it because it's like a traditional roaster cooker, but it's multifunction. So you can get all kinds of different pans to go with it. You can get a deep pan, you can get a narrow pan, you can get a grill pan, you can get pans with holes for eggs and bacon, and even a steamer. And I'm looking forward to trying this baby out, but it's Wednesday. First, we need to get this out of the box. So join me. What's up? Let's do this. So there's nothing better in the middle of the week to have a new cooker because that means we can play around with it this upcoming weekend, and I'm pretty excited about it. So this is the BSTY Multifunction Cooker. It's BSTY. And what I found what's interesting about this is it's like your classic roaster. So when I was growing up and I was in elementary school, we had a small cafeteria and they always made things in roasters. And so I have this nostalgia feeling for these roasters. So what's different about this roaster is you can get a lot of different pans in it. So it's a lot more multifunction than your classic roaster. They have cute little pans with holes that you can make eggs in. They have shallow pans. They have, look at this one. This one has, it has holes in it as well as a grill. It has deep pans. I am really excited about trying this baby out. So I just want to thank BSTY for sending this and allowing us to test it. We're going to make some Southern style smothered potatoes in this bad boy. So if you want to take a look at this, I'll leave links down in the description for the cooker as well as for the pans. Yeah, so let's get this baby open. I love cookers. Why do I love cookers so much? They're so fun. They're like versatile and they're just fun, right? So let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. Oh, there's a box on the inside. Awesome. This thing is cool. This thing has got like unbelievable reviews on Amazon. So this is our BSTY BSTY cooker and I love this. So like I said, you can get all kinds of different pans to go with this. You can get your classic deep pan, your grill pans. You have these cute little pans. You could do little quiches in them. You can do eggs and bacon on this. You could do some burgers. You can do all kinds of stuff. It even has a steaming rack. So I'm digging this. I'm digging it. You digging it, Ebu? This is cool. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Ooh, and it's a funky blue color. Whoops! This thing is awesome. I love it. So let's see here. This is our, oh, this is like a grill pan. So one of the pans it comes with is grill. That's pretty sweet, huh? I like this. It's a perfect size too. It's not like this big, huge thing. That's pretty sweet. I like it. So this goes in here and comes with obviously your power cord. Here's our lid. Oh, this is funky. It's like retro. Instructions how to use it. And here's our power cord. Sweet. So we'll put our lid on it here. This is awesome. I love it. One of the things that's neat about it, it's compact. It's perfect for like a small family. And it's not overly complicated. So when I saw this, I was like, it has your basic heating, warm, low, medium, high. It's like all these weird programs that, you know, you don't use half of them. So let's see. We have, this is the deep pot. Sweet. So there's our deep pot. That is awesome. Love that. That's pretty cool. So we have our deep pot. This is dim sum strip for multi-function cooking pot. So this one has little things here. You can do eggs and bacon in this bad boy.
Bacon?
Bacon. I like that. Sweet. This is really cool, guys. So here's your pan. You got two things you can do eggs in there. Fry you some bacon. Yeah, right? Next up, I think this is the flat plate. Woo! Sweet. So this is a flat plate. You could do pancakes in here. You could do all kinds of stuff in here. This is awesome. Cook some burgers in there. Next up is a couples plate. Wow. Okay, so you can do all kinds of stuff in here. You can put some poppin' biscuits in here and put some eggs in here. Makes little heart-shaped quiches. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Put some muffin batter in here. Sweet. And last but not least is a rack. Woo! And here's a rack. So this is great for if you use this deep pan. Put the rack in here. You can do a little steaming up in here. This is really cool. So how this works is, here's our little cooker. This is sweet. So you have your lid. Take your lid on and off. Here's your grill. You can put this flat plate in here with the lid. Sweet. We have our deep pan. Awesome. Just like that. And it's got the rack in there.
You can use the rack with the short one.
Yeah, you could use a rack with the short one.
Will the lid still shut?
Sweet. We have this one, bacon and eggs. I can see that on there. And we got our couples pan. I like that. So cooks, this thing is pretty cool. This is the BSTY roaster. It's so compact. I love it. It's not like this huge thing that's going to take up a lot of space. Perfect for if you have a small family or me and Eric. I'm looking forward to using that. So we're going to use this, maybe the deep pan to make some Southern style smothered potatoes. So I can't wait to do that. This is amazing. I love it. So it's Wednesday, guys. I hope you have a great day. I hope you're having a great week. I really hope you like this little cooker. I'm so excited to be able to get to use it. This thing is awesome. I'll put links in the description to the cooker and all the little pans so you can take a look at this cute little thing yourself. I think it comes in a white or an off-white as well as this blue color. Yeah, I love this. So thank you, BSTY, for sending this. Stay tuned. Our next upload, we will be using this to make our smothered potatoes. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Once again, thank you, BSTY. I love this thing already. If you like this video, please subscribe below, leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at amylearnstocook. On Facebook, you can catch me at facebook.com/group/amylearnstocook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. This thing is really cute. So stay tuned.